Hello everyone and welcome back to our dumper series, and in this video I'm going to take you through how to operate one of these 550 kilogram track dumpers from WHC Hire. This video is dedicated to get you the most out of your machinery, so I'm going to take you through all of the individual components as well as cover all of the controls that you'll find on this particular machine. Let's start with the front of the machine where we've got our operator's skip. Down each of the sides of the dumper we've got our rubber tracks. In the middle we've got our lifting mechanism, and then at the back on the rear end, the business end, we've got our operator's controls and as well as our bonnet which houses the machine's engine. Finally, right at the back we have got our foot plate which will stand on when we're operating the machinery. Right, let's get into these main controls of this track dumper, and you're going to find these in between the handlebars on the main part of the console. And we're going to work on these levers from left to right. First up, we've got our left track control, followed by our right track control, which is the next lever. You can use these two levers together to enable you to maneuver the machine. Right in the middle is our fast track lever. We push that forward, it'll engage the fast track mode of the machine. To disengage, just pull it back into the neutral position. Next up is our skip controls. The first one is to raise the skip up. Now, if we want to raise the skip up, we're going to pull the lever towards us, which will raise the skip off the ground, and then to lower, we push it away from us. And the final lever we've got on the right hand side is our skip controls. By pushing it forward, it will lift the skip upwards to unload, and then pulling it back towards you will lower it into the transportation mode. And those are the main controls for the dumper itself. Now below that, on our control panel, on the left hand side, we've got a red lever which operates the choke of the engine. Pushing it down will close the choke, allowing you to start the engine, and then to disengage it, we just pull it up. On the right hand side, we've got our throttle lever. Make sure it's all the way up when you're trying to start the engine into this tortoise mode, and then when we want to increase our revs, all we need to do is push it downwards to increase them. Below that, on our lower panel, on the left hand side, we've got a measure of the machine's hours. Next to that, we've got our ignition where our operator's key goes, and then on the right hand side of that, we've got our machine's horn. And those are all the basic console controls that you're going to find on this track dumper. Now, besides those controls, we've also got access to our bonnet with our bonnet lever just here, which is released by pushing the lock button. And then below that, we've got our pull cord in, just in case we need to pull start the petrol engine of this track dumper. So the next thing you're going to want to know is how to refuel the machine, just in case you need to do so. In this case, just open up the bonnet, and you'll find the petrol filler cap on top of the engine just inside here. Once you're finished, just close up the bonnet and ensure that it locks securely. And the final component of how to use it is the foot plate. If we want to lower the foot plate, simply pull it slightly towards you and it will lower it gently so you can stand on it. And then when you're done with it, just lift it up and you'll feel it lock into place, and it'll be ready for transportation. And those are all the basic controls on how to use them on one of our high-tip 550 kilogram track dumpers from WHC Hire. Hopefully this video has given you a good, clear indication on how to operate the machine safely. Remember, when operating this machinery, you should always do it from the foot plate and keep 3 points of contact at all times. If for whatever reason you come into any more problems whilst operating this machinery, then feel free to scan the QR code that you'll find on this dumper to access a wealth of free step-by-step guides to assist you with your hire. Thank you ever so much for joining me in this video, and until the next one, take care and bye-bye for now.